morning, namaste. Welcome to the show Mero Job Career Connect on Radio Kantipur Radio Rashtrako. This show has been brought to you by Mero Job Aim Higher. मेरो नाम हो अलिशा र हरेक मंगलबार बिहान 9:20 देखि 10 बजेसम्म यो कार्यक्रम सुन्न सक्नुहुन्छ मात्र रेडियो कान्तिपुर रेडियो राष्ट्रको 96.1 मेगाहर्ज 101.8 मेगाहर्ज र www.radiokantipur.ekantipur.com मार्फत मलाई यतिखेर टेक्निकली असिस्ट गर्नको लागि हुनुहुन्छ रवि दाई र तपाईलाई करेन्ट जब अफरिङ्सको बारेमा चाहिँ जानकारी गराउँछौ मेरो जब करियर कनेक्टमा विभिन्न अर्गनाइजेसन कम्पनीबाट पाल्नु भएका एचआर प्रोफेसनल्स एक्सपर्टसँगको कुराकानी प्रस्तुत गर्छौं विथ द मोटिभ अफ करियर काउन्सलिङ र आजको विषयवस्तु हाम्रो गएको 9वटा एपिसोड भन्दा अलिकति फरक रहेको छ आजको 10th एपिसोडमा हामी एउटा मल्टिनेशनल फर्म नेपालमा कसरी अपरेट भइरहेको छ र यसले नेपालको जब मार्केटमा कस्तो बेनिफिट दिइरहेको छ र बेसिकली जबको लागि तपाई अप्लाई गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने उक्त अर्गनाइजेसन उक्त कम्पनीको पर्सपेक्टिभ के कस्तो रहेको छ यसको बारेमा चाहिँ कुराकानी गर्छौं र अहिले नेपालबाट अस्ट्रेलियामा पढ्नका लागि मात्रै नभइकन उतै सेटल हुनका लागि विदेशी नेपालीहरुको संख्या एकदमै बढिरहेको छ र यो अवस्थामा अस्ट्रेलियाको वान अफ द लिडिङ मोर्गेज ब्रोकर कम्पनीज पनि नेपालमा अहिले फर्स्ट आउँदैछ र उक्त कम्पनीको हेड अफिस अस्ट्रेलियामा रहेको छ र नेपालबाट पनि अपरेट भइरहेको छ र होम लोन एक्सपर्ट्स नाम गरेको अस्ट्रेलियन बेस्ड कम्पनी नेपालमा होम लोन एक्सपर्ट्स एचएलई नेपालको रूपमा चाहिँ सञ्चालन भइरहेको छ र एचएलई नेपाल यो कसरी अपरेट भइरहेको छ यो अस्ट्रेलियन बेस्ड कम्पनी रहेको छ र जब मार्केटमा नेपालको जब मार्केटमा यसले कस्तो खालको अपर्च्युनिटी दिइरहेको छ यसको बारेमा कुराकानी आज हामी गर्छौं मेरो जब करियर कनेक्टमा र यसको लागि चाहिँ हामीसँग मोर देन अ इयर उहाँ चाहिँ एचएलई नेपालमा रिक्रुटमेन्ट स्पेशलिस्टको रूपमा काम गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ मिस माया दी थापा उहाँ हुनुहुन्छ स्टुडियोमा नमस्कार
नमस्कार अलिशा
वेलकम टु आवर शो
Thank you for having me.
Welcome to Radio Kantipur.
Thank you.
How have you been? Kasto hununcha tapai? Samsai hununcha?
Yes, pretty good. A bit nervous right now.
You don't have to be. It's going to be fun, I know.
Yeah.
र कुरा गरौँ हाम्रो अब टपिक तिरै जाम हैन यो होम लोन एक्सपर्ट्स नेपालको बारेमा अझ बढी डिटेलमा चाहिँ हाम्रो लिसनर्सलाई जानकारी गराइदिनुस् कसरी चाहिँ यो अस्ट्रेलियन बेस्ड कम्पनी नेपालमा पनि छ कसरी चाहिँ काम गरिरहेको छ कसरी अपरेट हुन्छ यसको बारेमा जानकारी गराइदिनुस् न
Okay, so basically I hope it's okay for me to speak English.
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. So basically, home loan experts, the main head office is based in Sydney, but we do have the support team, which is located here in Nepal at Jawlakhel. And so the main part of the loan processing works gets done here in Nepal. And having said that, we do have other supporting teams like the HR and the accounts, IT and the marketing as well. So how it operates here is that we do have a group of our mortgage brokers in Sydney, and so these are the group of people who brings in the business, the clients to the company, and the main bulk of the work, which is the loan processing, gets done here in Nepal with our group of people, a staff known as loan processing specialists.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you basically say Australia-मा चाहिँ अस्ट्रेलियाबाट चाहिँ तपाईले क्लाइन्ट्स पाउनुहुन्छ नेपाली क्लाइन्ट्सहरु पाउनुहुन्छ हैन नेपाली मात्र नभएर चाइनीज तपाईले अरु देशहरुबाट पनि
Exactly. So the first criteria that the clients have to have is like they have to be Australians, okay, regardless of whether they can be a Nepali, Chinese, Indians, or our own Aussie Australians as well. So those are our the
criteria,
main
the main clients huneko criteria
exactly. And also the lenders, the banks that we deal are also based in Australia.
So सबै यो कुरा चाहिँ अस्ट्रेलियामै हुन्छ जस्ट तपाईले लोन प्रोसेसिङको डकुमेन्ट्सहरु सबै एक्चुअली नेपालबाट गर्ने
Exactly.
ओके र एउटा मल्टिनेशनल कम्पनी भएर चाहिँ हुन्छ नि जस्तै अब अस्ट्रेलियन बेस हो नेपालमा पनि छ यो कम्पनी र नेपालको पेरिफेरीमा लिगल पेरिफेरीमा रहेर काम गर्न चाहिँ कतिको च्यालेन्जिङ हुन्छ र तपाई त एचआर सेक्टरमा हुनुहुन्छ यो कुरा पनि तपाईले हेर्नुपर्छ कतिको च्यालेन्जिङ हुन्छ
let's say looking from from our company HLE Nepal, we don't really find it much of a hassle because it's something that our company in Sydney has already been practiced. Because in Australia, obviously, there are rules and regulation. There's labor law as well to protect the employees. So it's not so hard to implement the rules here as well. And in fact, we even give extra to what the Nepali labor law requires. So, so I don't think it's much of a problem because it's already been something that has already been practiced. Overseas in Sydney. So yeah.
So Nepalको Labor Act ले भन्दा पनि बढी चाहिँ तपाईले बेनिफिटहरु प्रोवाइड गरिराख्नु भएको छ.
Exactly. The most recent example I think which we implemented last year is for your parental and maternal leave as well. Let's say I think in Nepal's law, the basic is for dads. I think it's just 15 days of paid parental leave. For moms, is about 2 months. But for HLE here in Nepal, we actually have 4 months paid leave for young moms and a month of paid leave for new dads. So yeah, so we sort of go above and beyond what is the minimum requirement. Yeah.
So actually Nepalमा basically काम गर्ने employee को लागि चाहिँ parental leave मा young mom को लागि 4 महिना छ भने चाहिँ young dad को लागि चाहिँ 1 महिना paid leave.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. This is more than what we can get here. र नेपालको human resources department को कुराकानी गरौँ हैन. अब HR भन्ने बित्तिकै यो डिपार्टमेन्ट अहिले बल्ल फर्स्ट आउँदैछ. अहिले बल्ल अर्गनाइजेसनले लाई इम्पोर्टेन्स दिएर चाहिँ आफ्नो अर्गनाइजेसनमा HR डिपार्टमेन्ट सेपरेटली राखेको छ. तर बाहिर देशमा त HR भन्ने बित्तिकै इट्स one of the important departments.
Yeah, sure.
तपाईले चाहिँ यसको बारेमा के भन्दिनुस् न, लाइक यता र उता अस्ट्रेलियामा के कस्तो?
I think a lot of people see the human resource department as a department where only administrative work gets done, or they're there to police or watch the employees, and stuff like that. And also I think in the past in Nepal, the HR department was usually looked after by the operations manager or in the, let's say, the accounts team. But it's good to see that now organization in Nepal, they have their own separate human resource department, because human resource department is more than just policing the employees. It's about having employee engagement, by creating a right, career path for them, and also, and also training and development. So we want to sort of, expand the area of human resource department. So and it's really good to see, because a lot of private organizations are focusing more on the on the human resource area,
and basically on the growth and development of the employees,
exactly,
by providing them proper skill,
exactly,
whatever required.
All
right. Maya ji, अर्को कुरा नि हैन, जस्तै तपाईले अब यो अस्ट्रेलियन बेस्ड होम लोन एक्सपर्ट्स नेपाल, अस्ट्रेलियन बेस्ड कम्पनी हामीले अघिदेखि भनिरहेका छौं, मोर्गेज ब्रोकिङ कम्पनी रहेको छ. Who are the clients? Who are the clients of this HLE Nepal?
Okay.
Is it Nepali or is it the people living in Australia?
Okay.
Only.
Okay. So basically, the head office being in in Sydney, in Australia. So the more let's say our main clients are definitely Australians. So we do not serve the people or the client here in Nepal. We don't deal with them. We only deal with them as a employer. For our clients, for business aspect of the area, we definitely will look into the Australians. So like I mentioned earlier, they can be Nepali, they can be obviously from different backgrounds. But the clients will have to be Australians.
All right. So actually Nepal basically say Australia ma बस्ने नेपाली र त्यही अब अरु देशहरुबाट आउनु भएको क्लाइन्ट्सहरुसँग चाहिँ डिल गर्ने नेपालमा बेस भएको चाहिँ कम्पनी रहेको छ. र the reason Maya D Thapa is here is like she's not here to brand HLE Nepal, but she's here to get the best employees, हैन?
Yes.
Employees कसरी चाहिँ तपाई HLE नेपालको चाहिँ एम्प्लोइ बन्न सक्नुहुन्छ, के कस्तो रिक्वायरमेन्ट्सहरु रहेको छ, यसको बारेमा चाहिँ अब हामी सेकेन्ड हाफमा यस कार्यक्रम मेरो जब करेक्ट कनेक्टमा तपाईलाई जानकारी गराउँछौ. यस मेरो जबको बारेमा तपाईलाई थोरै जानकारी गराइहालौं. मेरो जबमा चाहिँ अहिले HLE नेपालको भ्याकेन्सी पनि खोलेको छ. तपाईले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ मेरो जबमा हजुर मेरो job.com मा तपाईले लगइन गर्नु भइ चाहिँ जब रेजिस्टर गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, हैन? इट्स फ्री. तपाईले चाहिँ निशुल्क रूपमा चाहिँ अप्लाई गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. अहिले भने चाहिँ कमर्शियल ब्रेकको पालो. ब्रेक पश्चात हामी मायाजीसँग थप कुराकानी गर्छौं HLE नेपालको बारेमा. अहिलेको लागि कमर्शियल ब्रेकको पालो. हजुर वेलकम ब्याक मेरो जब करियर कनेक्ट तपाईँ सुन्दै हुनुहुन्छ रेडियो कान्तिपुर रेडियो राष्ट्रकोमा वेल अघि हतारमा कमर्सियल ब्रेकतर्फ लाग्नु परेकोले मैले पुरै इन्फर्मेसन चाहिँ कम्प्लिट गर्न सकिनँ वेल तपाईँ मेरो job.com लगइन गर्नुभयो तपाईँले तपाईँको एजुकेसनल ब्याकग्राउन्ड अनुसार चाहिँ त्यहाँ तपाईँले भ्याकेन्सिजहरू देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ कुन भ्याकेन्सी तपाईँलाई राम्रो लाग्छ तपाईँको हुन्छ नि तपाईँको म यो गर्न चाहन्छु भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ मिट गर्छ भने तपाईँले अप्लाई गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँले रेजिस्टर गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ फर्स्ट एन्ड फरमोस्ट तपाईँले मेरो जब लगइन गर्नु भएको छैन भने रेजिस्टर गर्नुहोस् रेजिस्टर गर्नु भइसकेपछि तपाईँले लगइन गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ त्यहाँ भ्याकेन्सिज तपाईँले देख्न सक्नुहुन्छ क्लिक गर्नुहोस् आफ्नो कम्प्लिट इन्फर्मेसन राख्नुहोस् र तपाईँले रेजिस्टर गर्नुहोस् अप्लाई गर्नुहोस् जबको लागि तपाईँले यो निःशुल्क गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र मेरो जब करियर कनेक्टमा यति बेला हामीसँग कुराकानी गर्नको लागि चाहिँ होम लोन एक्सपर्ट नेपालको नेपालको लागि चाहिँ रिक्रुटमेन्ट स्पेशलिस्टको रूपमा कार्यरत हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ मिस मायादी थापा उहाँसँग चाहिँ हामी कुराकानी गर्दैछौँ वेलकम ब्याक वान मोर टाइम
थ्याङ्क यू
सो अब सेक्सन 2मा हामी यो सेक्सनमा चाहिँ कुराकानी गर्छौँ मेरो जबको बारेमा सो हाउ लङ हेभ यु बिन एसोसिएटेड विथ द मेरो जब एन्ड वाट आर द सर्भिसेस द्याट यु बिन टेकिङ फ्रम मेरो जब
We've been with Mero Job for about 4 years, and some of the services that we have taken from them is definitely we post our job vacancies on Mero Job portal because Mero Job being one of the top job portals here in Nepal, and also because it's pretty popular, especially with the freshers. It's pretty easy to navigate around. So yeah, and the other services that we have taken is we have gone for college placement, with the Mero Job. Some of the colleges that we have gone, I think last year would be Kusum, ACE, and the latest one being Uniqlo College. Yeah,
Uniqlo College. So तपाईँ चाहिँ कलेजमा जानुभयो प्लेसमेन्टको लागि पनि अब स्टुडेन्ट्सहरूलाई तपाईँले हेल्प गर्नुहुन्छ एचएलई नेपालमा
हजुर
हैन र हामीले कुराकानी गर्दै थियौँ अनि हाम्रो स्टेसन म्यानेजर हाम्रो दिनेश सरको डटर सभा डीसी उहाँले पनि एचएलई नेपालमै काम गर्नुभएको रहेछ हैन सो इट्स लाइक एचएलई नेपालमा काम गर्नु भएपछि चाहिँ तपाईले राम्रो एक्सपिरियन्स पाउनु हुँदो रहेछ
फर श्योर
र यु वर टकिङ अबाउट अल दोस प्रमोशन्स एन्ड थिङ्स तपाईले यहाँ काम गर्नुभयो भने पनि प्रमोसन गरेर तपाईले राम्रो पोजिसन पनि प्राप्त गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ प्लस you might be promoted to Australia as well.
So like Alicia mentioned Shaba. Shaba used to work from here in Nepal. She started as a entry-level job, which is our loan processing specialist. And after that, obviously, she was really smart, she was really good, and she got a quick promotion as well as, and now, right now, she's working from Australia, Sydney. So what I'm trying to say is that, even at an entry level, if you, really show that you're a top performer, you have good attitude, you're really quick, you're a fast learner, there's no holding you back. If you show that kind of, behavior and you live up to our company values, you'll definitely, there's definitely, a position for you. You get promoted and, you'll have a chance to, work from Australia, Sydney.
Yeah. Well, however, we're not promoting that you should go to Australia and work there. हामीले भन्न खोजेको चाहिँ एक्चुअली नेपालमा काम गर्नुभयो भने यहाँको एक्सपिरियन्स चाहिँ तपाईलाई नेपालमै पनि अरू कुनै कम्पनीमा एसोसिएट हुन धेरै नै हेल्प गर्छ हैन एक्सपिरियन्सको लागि तपाईको रेज्युमेको लागि राम्रो गर्छ सो मेरो जबसँग तपाईँ 4 वर्षदेखि चाहिँ कनेक्टेड हुनुहुँदो रहेछ सो हाउ मेरो जब हेज सिम्प्लिफाइड योर रिक्रुटमेन्ट प्रोसेस कसरी चाहिँ हुन्छ नि तपाईँको रिक्रुटमेन्ट प्रोसेसको लागि चाहिँ एकदमै हेल्प गरिरहेको छ
Again, like I said earlier, it's pretty easy to use for candidates to submit their job application, and also because Mero Job being a really popular job portal, the applications that we get for our vacant positions are pretty good. So we get quality candidates, we get quality resumes. So in that way, I don't have to waste my time going through a lot of resumes. So the resumes that we get are pretty good. So Yeah, so that's how.
So it's not like vacancy advertisement को लागि मात्रै मेरो जब सँग तपाई कनेक्टेड नहुनु भइ चाहिँ ग्रुमिङ प्लेसमेन्ट को लागि पनि तपाईले चाहिँ तपाई चाहिँ इन दिस वे मेरो जब सँग चाहिँ कनेक्टेड हुनुहुन्छ.
Yes, yeah.
Alright, so अहिले पनि चाहिँ मेरो जब को कनेक्टमा फालो भएको छ. फेरि पनि अर्को कमर्सियल ब्रेकको ब्रेक पश्चात अब स्पेशलिस्ट हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ रिक्रुटमेन्ट स्पेशलिस्ट हुनुहुन्छ मिस मायादी थापा एचएलई नेपालको. उहाँसँग चाहिँ हामी कुराकानी गर्छौँ. तपाईले हुन्छ नि एम्प्लोयमेन्टको लागि जबको लागि चाहिँ इन्टरभ्यू दिनको लागि तपाईले के कस्तो कुरामा चाहिँ ध्यान दिनुपर्छ र एचएलई नेपालमा अहिले त कुनै पनि भ्याकेन्सी खुलिएको छैन तर भविष्यमा खुलिएको खण्डमा तपाईले अप्लाई गर्न चाहनु भएको खण्डमा चाहिँ तपाईले के कस्तो कुरालाई चाहिँ ध्यानमा दिएर चाहिँ जब अप्लाई गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ भन्ने बारेमा चाहिँ कुराकानी गर्छौँ. अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ मेरो जब करियर कनेक्टमा पालो भएको छ कमर्सियल ब्रेकको. Yes, सुन्दै हुनुहुन्छ मेरो जब करियर कनेक्ट रेडियो कान्तिपुर रेडियो राष्ट्रकोमा. दिस शो हेज बिन ब्रट यु बाई मेरो जब एम हायर र आज हामीसँग एचएलई नेपालका रिक्रुटमेन्ट स्पेशलिस्ट मिस मायादी थापा हुनुहुन्छ. र मैले अघि पनि भनिसकेँ अहिले चाहिँ हालै एचएलई नेपालमा कुनै पनि भ्याकेन्सी रहेको छैन तर तपाईँ एचएलई नेपालमा काम गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ अथवा अन्य कुनै कम्पनीमा चाहिँ काम गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ जुन चाहिँ रेजिस्टर रहेको छ मेरो जबमा भने तपाईँ रेजिस्टर जब सिकर हुनुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ मेरो जबको तपाईँले के गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भने फर एन इक्जाम्पल एचएलई नेपालमा तपाईँ भविष्यमा काम गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने तपाईले एचएलई नेपालको प्रोफाइल चाहिँ मेरो job.com मा जानुभई फलो गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र एचएलई नेपालले चाहिँ कुनै समयमा भ्याकेन्सी अनाउन्स गरेको खण्डमा चाहिँ तपाईलाई नोटिफिकेसन आउँछ र तपाईले चाहिँ अपर्च्युनिटी मिस गर्न पाउनुहुन्न. You will grab that opportunity है त. So on that note, welcome back one more time.
Thank you.
कस्तो हुँदैछ तपाईलाई? रमाइलो लागिरहेछ?
Yeah, I was a bit nervous at the beginning, but now I'm getting into it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
So let's talk फेरि पनि मेरो जब र प्लस अब एचएलई नेपालकै बारेमा हैन. अब धेरै जनाले एचएलई नेपाल अथवा अन्य कुनै जबको लागि चाहिँ अप्लाई गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ भने तपाई एचआर मा हुनुहुन्छ रिक्रुटमेन्ट स्पेशलिस्ट हुनुहुन्छ तपाई चाहिँ कस्तो खालको कसलाई चाहिँ प्रिफर गर्नुहुन्छ एक्सपीरियन्स चाहिँ प्रिफर गर्नुहुन्छ कि तपाई फ्रेशरलाई प्रिफर गर्नुहुन्छ
Okay, before I tackle that question, let me just say that you can, for job vacancy, beside going to mirajob.com, you could also go over to our website, hlenepal.com.np. We do have all our, if we have a current vacancies, we'll always put it there as well. So you could, there are two ways you can apply. You can either apply through Mirajob or you could, HLE, our own website itself. So back to your question of preference for whether a fresher or experience. Well, that depends on the job position that we have advertised for. For example, let's say as an entry level, which is a loan processing specialist, we definitely will, welcome freshers. Someone who doesn't, who doesn't have a lot of experience. Having a bit of internship would be nice. But yeah, we definitely will welcome, people who don't have any job experience. Because again, at HLE, we believe in, building a career, not just a job. So we definitely provide you with, trainings. It's a one-month very intensive training, and we do have our own in-house trainer. So so even if you're a fresher, you definitely can apply. So as part of the training, we'll also teach you about our work culture as well as our Australian culture, because most of the clients as well as the shareholders that we deal with are Australian. So it's very important that you understand a bit about Australian culture as well. And as for experience one, obviously we're not going to discriminate. Anyone who has a bit of work experience, we welcome them as well, because we could also learn from their experience, background experience as well. So it's really good as well for, for experience. So that's for entry level. As well as, let's say, sometimes we do need management positions. Example, like I told you earlier, we do have other support teams like accounts, HR as well. So recently, example, I hired my own boss, human resource manager. So obviously we had to get it somewhere from, outside. So someone with a different, working in a different sector. Yeah. So for that kind of management position, we would definitely require someone with a bit of experience. Yeah, at least at least 3 to 5 years. So again, for example, accounts or even in other areas as well. For management, definitely someone with experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you have to say to people? I mean, to the freshers, as like the HR ma hununcha, उहाँहरु चाहिँ अप्लाई गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ कुनै जबमा अप्लाई गर्नुहुन्छ भने एउटा सजेसन तपाई उहाँलाई दिनु पर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के सजेस्ट गर्नुहुन्छ?
Okay, like when they are applying for at HLE Nepal, definitely your communication skills, your English, both written and verbal, have to be top notch, because we are, after all, we're an Australian company. We again deal with our clients in Australia, so definitely your communication skills have to be top notch. And secondly, obviously your attitude. You should definitely have a very good learning attitude, because we at HLE believe in a continuous learning. So just because you know something, the learning doesn't stop that. And also we are in an industry, a mortgage industry, where the policies and the information keeps changing from the banks in Australia. So we're definitely someone with a very good learning attitude, and someone who also lives through our values as well. So someone who's open to learning, good communication skills, and also a very important thing, someone who's planning to stay in Nepal for the long term. At least 3 years would be good, because we don't want somebody to just come in and then after 6 months or a year we'll be like, okay, bye, I want to further my studies.
This clearly states that you're not promoting like students to go there and study or live in Australia, but like नेपालमै बसेर धेरै काम गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ भन्ने मेसेज उहाँले दिइसक्नुभयो. But like मायाजी, like तपाई आफै पनि 6 वर्ष अस्ट्रेलियामा बसेर चाहिँ फर्किनु भयो हैन? Like हुन्छ नि अहिले चाहिँ के छ भने धेरै सो यङ युथ्सको चाहिँ के प्रब्लम के छ भने नेपालमा केही गर्न सकिदैन, अपर्च्युनिटी एकदमै कम छ र बाहिर गएपछि सबै कुरा समाधान हुन्छ भन्ने छ. तपाईले देख्नु भएको हुन्छ नि त्यहाँ चाहिँ नेपालीहरूले कसरी स्ट्रगल गरिरहेको छ कामको लागि, र तपाईले अघि पनि भन्नुभयो नेपालमै बसेर पनि काम गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. 3 इयर्सको चाहिँ लङ लास्टिङ काम गर्नु पर्यो तपाईले एचएलईमा जोइन गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भन्ने भन्नुभयो. सो व्हाट डु यु हैव टु से अन दिस?
Yes, I think the youth of Nepal, the youngsters, have always been going overseas, either for further studies or for work. So, I would definitely say, open your eyes, open to the changes around. Like not only HLE, I'm pretty sure there's a lot of other, international companies who are setting up, who are opening up their support office here. So I think if you have the right attitude, the right, skill set, you definitely can make it here. You don't always have to go to other Western countries, to look for opportunities. You definitely, you definitely can make it here. I mean, just look at you, Alicia, and look at me here. So, so I'm just saying that, don't be narrow-minded. Open your eyes, open your heart. There are definitely a lot of job opportunities here in Nepal.
And open the page of merojob.com as well if you've been looking for job opportunities. किनभने चाहिँ मायाजीले भन्नुभयो जस्तै धेरै अपर्च्युनिटी यहाँ पनि छ. तपाई मल्टिनेशनल कम्पनीजमै काम गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने एज यु सेड इट यहाँ पनि मल्टिनेशनल कम्पनीजहरुले चाहिँ आफ्नो बिजनेस स्टार्ट गर्न लागिसकेको छ र तपाई आफ्नै देशमै बस्नु भए तपाईले बाहिर अरु देशको लागि चाहिँ काम गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ हैन त?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, like for people who also for people who are who are living overseas and are thinking of, okay, should I stay on or should I go back to Nepal to be back with my family? I definitely have this one thing to say. I mean, it's natural to have this fear of of the unknown. It's like, okay, what am I going to do in Nepal? Will there be jobs? Will I get a good opportunity? But I definitely think whatever your friends back here in Nepal or relatives have been telling you, that there's a lot of changes. Believe them. You should definitely come back. Bringing all your education, qualification, your skill set that you have, gained gain in the in other countries, it's time to build Nepal up. So definitely you'll have.
I'm loving the show actually. धेरै लास्टमा मेसेज यही हुन्छ कि सो देशमै बसेर धेरै कुरा गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने मेसेज चाहिँ हामीले यो कार्यक्रमको मार्फत पनि दिइरहेका छौँ. सो मेरो जब करियर कनेक्टमा यहाँसम्म आइदिनु भयो, कुराकानी गरिदिनु भयो. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Alisha, for having me.
Yes, it's my pleasure and I really had fun. Thank you so much कार्यक्रम सुनेर साथ दिनुभएकोमा. मेरो जब करियर कनेक्ट अर्को हप्ता फेरि पनि लिएर म अलिशाई उपस्थित हुनेछु. तबसम्मको लागि I'm taking a leave. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Cheerio.
सूचना र मनोरञ्जनको संवाहक रेडियो राष्ट्रको रेडियो कान्तिपुर.